facing the police every single day.
Because there was a couple of actually.
Well,
The first time that we,
Is there somebody I can talk to about this case? This case is getting way out of hand.
But I've been over here.
Yes, I just found out, I'm a reporter for Copwatch. I just found out Jacob Hawkins is illegally looking for information on my Facebook page.
And that's why, like Lisa said, the hotline especially is 24/7. So if
Okay.
something happens in the middle of the night, you can't sleep, you can't get it out of your mind, call the hotline.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it, because that's why, like I said last night, I was like, I need sleep, can somebody come stay the night with me? Because, you know, I get up, the dog barks, I'm like.
So you've got some options to start with, go file the report, just that way they've got all the information, they, you know, they'll say if they're gonna look into it or not, and then like
Right.
Lisa said,
And at least it's
after that,
documented.
keep track again, and then that
Yeah.
way, once he does it again, you can go back and you can say, look, it's still
There's
happening,
more.
there's more.
Yeah, okay.
And then in the
to the police and show it to them.
apply for the injunction.
Well, I guess I came here because you guys are on it too.
On the case?
Yes, right here. I just got that from Facebook, subpoena from my Facebook page.
Yeah. And Karen can also help you with that injunction, should you
Okay.
decide to.
Okay.
That's what they, you know, that's their.
So I wanted to talk to somebody here to let you know, this is a guy that used to be my friend, he hates my guts, and now he's illegally, you know, searching all my crap.
And the second you know he comes back, then definitely go apply for the injunction.
You know, and that's where they can.
Yes, the case number, yeah, the case number's right there too, where I got that little pointer in the middle. Yep.
Okay.
But he has other people calling theirs, you know, and then it'll start.
I can't even imagine what else he's got into already. I just got lucky, you know, getting that from Facebook.
It's a control, it's a way for him to exert control, and it's a way for him to try to get you to react so that then you'll contact him. Or
Oh,
contact
that's
him.
what it is. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I
Because you're
did.
ignoring him,
Yeah,
right? You're
Yes.
ignoring him.
Yeah.
And so he doesn't like that, so what's he do? He sends the police to your door.
okay, yeah.
It's all psychological. He's trying to get in your head. He's trying, this is his way of trying to control you from afar.
Yeah, because
Look
my
at me, I
friend
think
was
so.
trying to say, like, the narcissist behavior, I'm like, oh my God, that's it, I didn't even, you know. At least I'm just a little Fruit Loop rolling around here, I don't know, I just
No,
like,
but at
just
the
wanna
same
go back
time-
to being myself
At the same
and
time, it's still crossing the line. I think it's still worth reporting. Because I
Yes.
think it can't really say.
And that's
"Oh,
what
be
he said, like,
criminal."
because it's, I'm not, I haven't been going on my
Let me see if I can-
social
the attorney is
media
not in the
because
office
I
at
did
this
something.
time.
Right.
Well, now that I started it.
Let me see if I can get somebody to come out and talk to you.
All right, yeah, because I would have been glad, he's been doing this for like 6 months. I would have been glad to talk to somebody if we had a video that they didn't like. And now he's using this as an excuse to search all my stuff, which is a violation of my free speech. I do press. So, all right. So wait out here? All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yep, good. How are you?
Good. It's nice to meet you. How
All
can I
right.
help you?
Yeah, I just found out from Facebook that I'm being subpoenaed. I'm a reporter for Copwatch. I have been for 6 years. The guy that's doing this investigation, Jacob Hawkins, this is what's really messed up. We used to be best friends. We hate each other's guts. Apparently, 6 months ago, he started an investigation and it relates with one of your other favorite people here, Rodney McGee in town. Supposedly made a video. That's what I can figure out so far, you know, from what redactions there is. He never came to us. I mean, if he would have came to us and we would have took it down.
He being who?
Basically, it's Matthew Polito. I'm sorry about that. It's Matthew Polito and Jacob Hawkins that I can figure out are doing this case. Like I said, me and Jacob used to be friends. We hate each other's guts now, and I feel this is a payback. And now I'm being illegally investigated. This is for Facebook, but now I have a feeling he's going for everything, all on a YouTube video. We finally got parts that are unredacted, and it talks about a YouTube video. And Rodney made a video, and from what we can figure out, unknowingly to me, he did mention a victim's name of a rape, but I also did find out, we pulled the rape file that they're basing this on. Actually, that name is not even in there, so I don't even know if Rodney's telling the truth. I would not knowingly do that. That was just a piece of paper to see if I could file my. So Facebook was telling me to file a motion to quash. The thing I would like to quash is why didn't they just come to us in the first place and say you can't do this and use this as an excuse to just start searching everything? Like I said, I'm sure you've heard it. I've been a reporter here for 6 years. I got tons of reporters that are watching this case now. I mean, and they're literally asking the sheriff right now as we speak, what's going on?
Okay.
So
have you done that yourself?
that's I'm the main guy for the reporter, so it's useless. I can't talk to him. I absolutely can't talk to Jacob. You'd probably see my bag and say, I thought I had a gun and shoot me. So that's why I came here, because Facebook is asking me to file a motion to quash, because they actually are trying to stand up for freedom of speech.
Okay.
Apparently I can't because it's not a full-blown case yet. This is still investigation phase. So that's why I thought, since I was here, come here, talk to you guys to let you know, I feel, like I said, the guy that's doing the investigation used to be my best friend and is doing it as a vendetta, payback, and I believe he's possibly illegally, violating my rights with, Facebook and who knows what else. Could it be my bank, my ISP? And here's what's really scary, which makes us think this, is I asked for all the subpoenas that have been filed. They said, of course they can't, but the statute that they listed is under money laundering. I'm a freaking poor house cleaner. Where the fudge does that come in? But the scary part with the money laundering, as you know, gives them godlike powers. They can get into everything, even though it's bogus. So I'm here to let you guys know that I'm trying to give you guys a heads up. Something is not right here.
Okay.
I have many reporters and lawyers that are saying, what the fudge? I mean, there's a possible lawsuit in violation of free speech, violating the Fourth Amendment, and et cetera.
Okay. What I would suggest that you do is that you go to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office.
Right.
Okay. Speak with their internal affairs unit. Okay. If you believe that an investigation is being conducted illegally or that laws are being violated,
Right.
okay, you need to start with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Okay. And file that complaint as you seem to be reporting.
And like I said, the reason why I'm here is because now they got you guys involved. You're on the paper here for the subpoena, which I wasn't supposed to get, but they gave it to me. But I'm glad they did because, and actually we knew about the investigation months ago. I got lucky and found out. But so what do I do if I have tried to go to IA with Zakowicz? Totally serious. I have tried to let him know that
So
this
is
is.
Jacobitz an IA?
He is. I've tried to let him know that, the relationship I had with this guy, he's out of control. This money laundering, are you kidding me? It's me and my wife that clean houses. I quit drinking and drugging. She sings in the choir. I go to AA. Wow. Is that what pisses him off, that I don't have anything? I don't know.
I'm not sure. Only he could answer that question. But I would definitely start with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office if you're not getting any resolution through the internal affairs personnel.
Then
speak to one of the supervisors. Okay.
Okay, so there is I can say, okay, fine, who is your supervisor then if he is not doing his job?
Of course. Of course.
All right, I will try.
That's the standard in every
Right.
police agency.
All right, so she did say that there is the investigator that is on this is not here today then or something?
Who's the investigator?
I don't know. She looked it up.
Okay.
I mean, can I come back to talk to him too to let him know that
Well, you
this?
talking about an investigator from our office?
Yeah,
or-
she said the
Okay.
one that's signed this stuff is not here today, unless it's you. Is it you?
That signed.
This one, because you guys are on here, state attorney. They blocked it
Right.
out.
Mm-hmm.
So she looked it up. She said that he's not here today.
Okay.
Can I come back to let him know
Could have
that?
been the investigator that was assigned here before.
Right.
So
that's why I'm trying to red flag everybody that this guy doing this is not cool. He should not be on the case. And why didn't he come to us 6 months ago?
Right. Right.
This is an excuse to violate the rights everywhere.
Of course, and we don't want anybody's rights being violated.
By the way, you know what's scary too? Also too, both of the guys on here, Hawkins and Polito, are both on the ESST team, electronic surveillance team, which has access to the cell phone Stingray. That's what I've been fearing that for years. Not that I'm doing anything wrong,
Right.
but they both have access to the cell phone Stingray, so who says this isn't another excuse to do the Stingray also?
Right. Well, I mean, I believe that's just your feeling. I'm not
Right.
sure if I don't think there's any evidence there
Right.
that supports that.
Well, I do have evidence that they are on the team. I've already done that.
Okay.
I've already got the documentation.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know that that's the main guy here, the detective. In my flat-out opinion, and actually I knew him for 2 years. He told me a lot of corruption. He is dirty. He is dangerous. I am here to tell you that right now. Period.
Okay.
So, anyways, all right. I tried. Okay, I will ask for a supervisor, see what they say.
Speak with internal affairs. Ask to speak with a supervisor.
Yeah,
if you're not getting
he
any resolution there.
denied. I already asked him. Nope, nothing wrong here. I'm like, wow. Even after I said we had a relationship, he's pissed off, and now look what he's doing. Didn't care. So that's not right, right?
I believe that if there's an active investigation, they're in no obligation to speak with you whatsoever.
Right.
Okay.
But if it's out of control and it's in a vendetta, that's not a good thing.
It doesn't mean that they won't conduct an investigation.
Right.
It doesn't mean that they're going to discuss it with you.
Right.
Okay, just like any other active investigation.
Correct. True, but if it's out of control, somebody has to say something, right? I mean, like I said, this has to do, you just saw it yourself, a YouTube video. This isn't a porno, this isn't a child rape video. This is just a video he talked about where, some bad cops from the sheriff's office and a judge here arrested the wrong guy, they arrested Rodney, and not the child rapist.
I don't know what the circumstances
Right, yeah,
are of the video,
all right. So that's what it's about, and all right, I tried. So anyways, good to meet you. You got a card?
I don't with me. No.
All right,
Okay.
that's fine. But what was your name then?
Steve Scalici.
Steve Colici, Andrew, reporter for Copwatch.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Have a good day.
All right.
Take care.
Police use who may want to retaliate against him physically.
Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use. And also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also, too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps out, I can go full-time doing this. Thanks.